yet another EV charging company. So, briefly about Amina. We provide B2B AC charging for charge point operators and energy companies. We were established 2.5 years ago and have about 50 employees. We launched our first product 18 months ago and have sold 20,000 units so far and raised 15 million in equity and 10 million in bank financing. So we're expanding quickly and now have offices in Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, and the Benelux area. We believe it's all about scale, and scaling a proprietary EV solution in Europe is difficult. You need custom software for each market or segment. It's CapEx heavy, and as a manufacturer, you do not have an existing customer base to leverage. That's why we've chosen to work with operators and energy companies instead. They do have an existing customer base. They want to tailor-make their products for their customers and markets, and they have a low cost of capital, which means they're willing to invest to take market share. So, which problems are we solving? First off, today's chargers have a very high operational cost. We solve this by having a fully automated assembly and production, which lowers unit costs and also decreases fault rates in the field. We also have reliable connectivity with the Cat1 bis connectivity, and we do factory provisioning, which means that the charge point is fully set up in production to the end customer before we ship it out. We also believe that many of the charging solutions out there today are made more for the manufacturer than the operator. That's why we provide local control of the charging points. We also have aligned incentives, which means we only sell services to operators and energy companies, and we also provide white label options on our products. This could look like this, with an embossed logo, marketing material, and branded packaging. We're positioned as a challenger in the market, and we're happy to say that we have the only product in the market with an environmental product declaration. I'll also like to briefly mention EV chargers as grid assets. Just last week, we got over €1 million to fund a project in the FFR and FCR markets. So, next steps, we're launching Amina C for rollout in Central Europe in the second half of this year. And we're planning to do a capital raise in the second half of this year as well, estimated at €10 million, and we believe existing owners will take a substantial part of that. Lastly, the team. We have over 100 years of combined EV charging experience. About 15 team members have been part of multiple other charging companies at C-level positions. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.